welcome back to my channel. What's up? I hope you guys are doing super great. And if you're new to this channel and watching this face for the first time, hi, my name is Sunidhi and you are currently watching me on my YouTube channel. So guys, today I have received this package from Just Herbs, and this is a company which make kind of herbal products for skin care, body hair care and makeup products also. So I received these 2 boxes with 3 packs of lipsticks. So excited to try all the products out, and this was ordered by my mom and मुझे कोई भी idea नहीं था कि उन्होंने order किया है, and I received it today. And like उन्होंने पहले ही order कर दिया था, but ये एक दिन बाद receive हुआ हमारी राखी के. सो उनको गिफ्ट करना था ये बुआ को, एंड आई थिंक दिस इज़ अ वेरी नाइस गिफ्ट फॉर हर. सो या, so this is the package. I am going to show you everything which is there in this pack. So this is the small pack of lipsticks where you have natural lipsticks in very small size. Like they are really cute, you guys. See. Oh wow. So these are the lip shades. They look really cute. I'm gonna first thing is this is a box which has handmade bathing bars, and look at the packaging, guys. It looks super beautiful. I love it. I literally love it. So it has 3 kind of bars. Interesting. Oh my god, look at these bars. Okay, first one is, as I said, Wild Indian Rose. Oh my god. And that too, this soap smell also really nice. Like a proper rose, and I kinda know this fragrance. लाइक थोड़ा चेरी जैसा टेस्ट नहीं, स्मेल है इसकी, एंड आई लव इट गाइस. मेरे को सच में ट्राई करना है. वाओ, looks like best thing to gift anyone. And this box do worth like, okay, मैं लास्ट में बताती हूँ कि कितना प्राइस है इसका टोटल आफ्टर शोइंग यू एवरीथिंग. So this was the first soap, which is Wild Handmade Rose. It says it's Ayurvedic and made in India. 100 ग्राम की है and 3.5 OZ. एक सोप का 375 प्राइस है. So I think कि अगर हैंडमेड सोप है तो इतना तो रेट होना चाहिए. In that is also handmade soaps are do cost like this only. Okay, next is Corgi coffee. I think I love coffee and I'm gonna love this one also. This is handmade bathing bar, again Ayurvedic, made in India. Okay, see the packaging. Ooh, this, oh god, this has like pure coffee color. Oh my goodness. Guys, this smells like rich cocoa. Seriously, and look at the color. My god. It's nice, really nice. And I also do have this kind of soap, like that is by Naswiz, and it is of shea butter and cocoa kind of thing. But this is pure cocoa, so this is gonna work really well on your dead skin and like overall. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right or not. This is Kerala coconut handmade bathing soap, Ayurvedic, made in India by Just Herbs. And I must say there is zero plastic used in these products, and this is like a butter paper kind of thing which is used, and इसके अलावा कोई भी tape वगैरह नहीं है. Okay, I'm gonna open this thing also. Oh wow, this looks nice. Oh, this smells like real coconut, and like real coconut नहीं होता जिससे हम बर्फी नहीं खाते हैं हम कोकोनट की, वैसी स्मेल आ रही है इसके अंदर. लाइक सीरियसली कोकोनट विद अ वेरी नाइस स्वीट फ्रेग्रेंस, एंड जैसा स्मेल उसका होता है ना, इसका स्मेल ऐसा. हाँ, बर्फी सोच लो आप, जैसे नारियल की बर्फी होती है ना, वैसा स्मेल है इसका. एंड ओके, आई एम डैम एक्साइटेड टू ट्राई ऑल देम आउट. And yeah, that is it for this pretty box. I love it how this looks like, and everything is like mentioned on the back of it. I will mention about the box also in the description box, plus I will drop the link. Okay, next thing we have is this huge box. Okay, what this thing has is just pack. I think it's a gift kind of box. Okay, this cost for 1195 rupees, and yeah. Okay, I'm gonna open it. Okay, इसको literally guys, इसको खोलते ही ना इतनी ज़्यादा अच्छी खुशबू आ रही है. Okay, I'm gonna show you like professional की तरह. So this is the box, and look at the beauty. Like इसको खोलते इतनी ज़्यादा खुशबू आ रही है ना इसमें से, because of this has like kind of herbals, rose petals, I guess tulsi also, and chandan की लकड़ी and all. So this smells really nice. So we have samples over here. One is the lotion. This is moisturizing day care lotion. Another one is the face wash. This is neem bitter or orange face wash, and this is also for all skin type. I think I'm gonna try it. This looks super nice. कितना छोटा सा है, and it's kind of a sample kit. Very nice. Next thing we have the same Kerala coconut bathing bar. It also looks very nice like Minisa. I've already opened it in that box, so I don't need to open it. Okay, last thing about this box, which I really love, is this lip balm, you guys. It's a lip balm which has shea butter, and says no parabens, no mineral oils, so it's completely natural. Everything is written on the back side of it. So yeah, I think it's very nice. मैंने यूज़ नहीं किया, बस मैं खोल के दिखा रही हूँ. So this is the small like test kit of the products which you can like obviously order. Like आप इसकी बड़ी बॉटल order कर सकते हो, but this is very nice, and you can keep this thing in your cupboard, and बहुत ज़्यादा महकने वाला है. Okay, so I think these are really cute, and you can order them. My mom ordered the 3-pack of it, and now the box is empty, you guys. खाली हो गया है. Okay, these are the 3 products which my mom ordered. These lipsticks plus this entire package do worth for 1725 rupees. You can order it like as if you want to, and I am going to make another video of it while trying all these products. Please stay tuned for that. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys loved it. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such contents. I also do makeup videos, haul, study videos in future, and yeah, so that is it about my video, and yeah, thank you so much for watching.